Hi, I'm Michael. I'm a personal chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make laminated pasta. Let's start with the dough. To make this recipe, you'll need 250 grams of flour, 6 egg yolks, 1 whole egg, 25 grams of milk, and 25 grams of olive oil. Whisk your wet ingredients together. Now that everything's measured, here's a simple method of mixing the dough. Dump your flour onto your surface and make a well, and then pour your wet ingredients into that well. Gently incorporate your flour into your wet mixture. For better consistency, continue slowly adding the flour. A bench scraper helps incorporate all the flour into the dough. When your dough starts incorporating, start kneading by hand. Don't be afraid, you can't over-knead this dough. You'll know your dough is complete once it's smooth to touch and it will spring back. Wrap it up and place it in the fridge overnight. So now that the dough has been rested, I'm going to show you how to laminate the pasta using herbs and flowers. Keep your workbench and pasta machine well floured. Cut a piece of dough off and start forming it with a rolling pin. Run your machine on the widest setting and start running your dough through till you reach setting number 4. Destem your herbs and edible flowers. Add your herbs and flowers. And seal with a spritz of water. To make sure your pasta is sealed, run it through the pasta machine again. Now that we've made laminated pasta, let's make agnolotti. Use your favorite pasta filling and brush with egg wash. Gently roll over your pasta dough. Pinch to seal. Use a crimper to trim the pasta. If you don't have one, use a knife. As you can see, making pasta is not that hard. Add it to your next meal.